Alright, what is going on, guys? This is Simply True Alerted Productions here. It's not Sirens of New Jersey anymore, although I'm still a siren enthusiast. Anyways, we're here today because we're going to do an unboxing. And yes, this is a pretty big unboxing. By Pyrotech 4051. Go ahead and check out his videos. So let's go ahead and open the box here using a pair of scissors. I have an envelope over the address because I don't want to get into trouble or anything, you know. Alright. Opening the box. Actually, there's a little note here. Let's see what it says. Alright. Move this. Alright, so I have to keep all these devices here. And then right here. And then, oh, you can't see it. So these are all the devices I'm going to keep, and this is all the devices I got to repair. So let's go inside and see what we got. Whole bunch of material. Oh my God, look at all of this. Wow, check this out. And this is all by Caleb, or Pyrotech 4051. So let's see, we got some exit signs. Starting off, look at that. Wow. A Simplex 2901, I think it's a 9101 strobe plate, but it looks like the strobe's cracked, so this I gotta fix and return back to him. So let's put this over here. A Wheelock X-Eater, he's giving me the X-Eater remote strobe. A Gentex SHG, strobe's busted, so I'll have to try to fix that. 2400 smoke detector. System sensor Spectre Alert Advance. And then right here is the Simplex Canadian T-bar. I have to try to fix that since part of the handle broke. Wheelock RSS, he's giving me this. Wow, very nice. 100 Candela, by the way. System sensor mass. So I'm guessing I have to keep this. I don't know. EH horn, he's giving me this. Another nasty alert, or should I say Spectre Alert Advance. A BG10. I have to fix the button. Another Spectre Alert Advance. I'm going to try to speed this up since my camera's running out. And then a BG12. Wow. Finally got a BG12. See what else we got. Sorry, little brother was locked out. A keypad of some type. I'll have to use that for something. Another BG10. I have to fix that. Siemens Chevron, a BG8 or Notifier NBG1R. There's the keys. A 4-inch Simplex bell. Some mystery Edwards bell. Edwards 270-SPO. I have to put a switch in for this and give it back to him. An RSG T-bar with a custom key lock. Let's see. Wheelock AS MCW, 24 MCW ceiling mount. And guessing this is a Honeywell smoke detector. So he's giving me this. So those are all the alarms. Some of them I can fix, some of them I gotta keep. It shouldn't be that much of a problem, but that's it for now. So thanks for watching.